Nicole, and today I'm going to share with you how to make our March Take and Make craft. If you're watching this, chances are you've already picked up the craft kit from the main library, and in that kit you will find a 6x6 white canvas, green buttons, a variety of green buttons, and a Shamrock template. You will have to provide a pencil, something to trace the Shamrock around, as well as glue. Today I'm going to be using a glue gun because it dries faster and holds better. But you could do this with a craft glue as well. So even if you don't have the craft kit and you just want to assemble these materials from around your house, that's a list of what you will need. So as I mentioned, you have a Shamrock template, and I've already taken that and traced the Shamrock shape on the canvas. You can place it anywhere you want on the canvas. I chose to put it in the center, but that's up to you. You can do whatever you like. And so now the next step is to take your green buttons and however you like, lay out a design within that Shamrock shape. Make sure that you cover up your pencil mark, and as you're putting on buttons, you can even stack buttons on top of each other to add some depth to your piece. But really you can just be creative and see how it turns out. I'm going to work on mine and glue it down, and then I'll be back to show you the finished product. Okay, I am back with my finished project, and you'll see that I filled in the Shamrock and also added some buttons on top to just give it a little bit more dimension and to help fill in some of the white space pencil marks. You can always go back and erase some of the pencil marks, or if you don't want them to show. But here it is. I hope you enjoy making your Shamrock craft. See you later. Bye.